Hey, what's up guys, Fezo here. Welcome back to the new video. In this video I'm going to give you guys nice and professional webcam overlay template for your gaming videos, or you can use it any videos if you want. Of course it depends on you. So let me show the example. Just go to the link in my description below. It will bring you to my Sellfy store and you can buy this gaming webcam overlay for only $10, or you can search for other templates for a cheap price in my Sellfy store. So in this gaming webcam overlay I made in multiple colors, which is orange, green, blue and purple color. In this little video tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to edit this text, icons, logos, and I don't recommend you, but I will show you how to change and put your custom color if you want. The reason I don't recommend you to put custom color because it doesn't look good. I tried a few times, but you need to edit from these pieces to put your custom color. But I'm going to show you guys how to change these colors in a simple way, but I don't recommend you. Okay, just click this buy button to download it. Just pay $10 and you will get WinRAR file like that. Just right click on it and click extract here. I'm using the WinRAR application for extracting. You will get this folder. Just open that. Before opening this template, just go to this folder and install this font. Before opening this template, just right click on it and click install. I'm already installed it. And you can also preview the webcam here. As you can see, it looks very good. It's very good for your gaming videos. Okay, and you are ready to open that template. Just open that and you will get this Photoshop file, of course. And you can also preview the webcams. I put orange, purple, blue and green color. You can only need to click this I button to hide that and show them. I'm going to choose this orange one, and let me zoom a little bit to show you what's going on in the screen. Okay, just select orange color, click this drop down menu and you will get these red options. And let's start with text. Just click this drop down menu and you will get this bunch of text. So it's very simple to edit them. Just select your text tool and I'm going to zoom in a little bit. Select your text tool and let's change this font. Let me write official FezoDesigns, just like that. And for changing color, it's very simple. For example, I want to make this FezoDesigns text orange. Just select this and click this color tab here, and you can choose any color you want. I'm going to choose nice orange color, just like that, and click OK and click this move tool or press this button right here. Okay, it's very simple to edit this text. You can edit last donator and last follower with this same way. Okay, let me show you how to edit this logo here. Let's close this all texts group and go to logo group, click this drop down menu and you will get this metallic texture, logo and ellipse tool, and you can remove this or you can keep this on. I'm going to keep this on and let me zoom in a little bit, just like that. And for this logo I'm going to right click on the metallic texture and click this release clip and mask, just like that. And I'm going to hide this metallic texture about a second and hide this logo and go to and import your logo. I'm going to import my FezoDesigns logo just like that, and click and drag it into your template just like that. And if your logo is too big, just press Ctrl T on your keyboard and hold Shift and make it smaller just like that, and put it here. I'm going to make a little bit bigger and put it center of this ellipse just like that. And after finishing, just click this arrow button, and using your arrow key you can move the logo to the center just like that. And right click on this logo, which we hide this. Just right click on it and click copy layer style, and right click on the logo which we are already imported and click paste layer style just like that. I'm going to close this effects panel and turn on the metallic texture. Right click on it and click create clipping mask, or you can easily hold Alt key on your keyboard and move the cursor between metallic texture and logo, and you will see these icons appearing. Just one left click on it and here we go. You will get nice metallic texture. You can select your move tool and metallic texture. You can move the metallic texture around to get your best view just like that. And let me make this logo a little bit bigger just like that. It looks good. I'm going to zoom out a little bit, and okay guys, let's close this logo group. I'm going to show you how to change these icons. Let's open this icons drop down menu, and let me change this last donator and select this heart layer. I'm going to hide this, and let me drag and drop this donator icon, make it smaller, and put it here, maybe a little bit smaller. Okay, using your arrow key to put your donator icon here, and go to the layer which we hide. Right click on it and click copy layer style, and right click on the new donator logo icon and click paste layer style. Okay, it's very simple to edit your icons. You can do the same thing on this last follower icons if you want. Okay, it's very simple. I'm going to make it a little bit smaller and put it a little bit left and side just like that. Okay guys, and last thing, I'm going to show you how to change this color, but I don't recommend you. I recommend you choose this orange, purple, blue and green color. But if you want custom color, let me show you how to put your custom color. For example, I'm turn on this screen and go to this tab here which says create new color and adjust fill or adjustment layer. Click this and select hue saturation, and right click on the hue saturation and click this create clipping mask just like that. It's created the clipping mask on the screen, and let's change the color, and you will see the colors doesn't looks good, but a few colors looks great. For example, red. I'm going to choose the red color just like that. Okay, looks great. And here is the how you can put your custom color, but I don't recommend you, of course, and click delete this hue saturation. Okay, last thing, I'm going to show you guys how to save it. It's very simple. Just hide this background and let me choose the green. Open the screen and you will see the inner, and turn this off layer. Just turn this off, just like that. As you can see, it's all transparent. All you need to do is press Ctrl T. You can move the webcam around. You can put where you want, but I will keep this on the center. Just go to File, Save As. You can save as from there, or you can, if you want little size, just go to File, Export, Save for Web, and you will get about 1 or 2 megabytes. As you can see, it's 147 kilobyte, just like that. And make sure you selected PNG 24, and you can preview your webcam here. As you can see, it's all transparent. And click Save, and I'm going to save it to my desktop. Click Save, and as you can see, it's already saved to our desktop, just like that. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial and webcam overlay. Make sure you like the video and subscribe if you don't already. If you have any problems, just write a comment below or contact me on Facebook, Discord or Instagram if you want. All social media links will be in the description below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.